Hello everyone, this is Sohavani here. I have qualified UGC NET JRF 2021 from Environmental Sciences. Presently, I am pursuing PhD from the University of Kashmir. I am highly thankful to Dr. Mukesh sir, who have really helped me throughout this entire journey. I could not have made this exam without his daunting efforts. Thank you, sir, for inculcating best of your knowledge to me. In 2020, I watched free videos of Dr. Mukesh sir from his YouTube channel, but at that time, I was able to qualify only NET exam. And in 2021, I took his paid course, and through this paid course, I was able to complete my syllabus in stipulated time, plus it strengthened my weak areas. Through this paid course, one can make multiple revisions because revision is the key. Can watch recordings at any time, anywhere, can make notes in a crisp manner. There is analysis of PYQs, plus attempt many mock tests and many more. Usually students roam here and there in search of reliable and authentic sources. But believe me, Dr. Mukesh sir is the most reliable and authentic source for UGC NET JRF Environmental Sciences. And I am really very proud of that. I am an SWMG learner because it took my preparation to the next level. Lastly, I thank you, sir, and wish good luck to the future aspirants of UGC NET. Thank you.